continuation of the book The Outers by George Uwaifo. We are going to continue on chapter 1, page 2.
Gravana was a humongous planet in a solar system 50 light-years away. It was a giant amongst giants. Life had existed for millions of years and living beings have since evolved in huge leaps. They have mastered the highest levels of development both biologically and scientifically. The energy from the Spartan was huge and powered the planets along the Vilca solar system. Just like the cosmic way, there were 9 planets all rotating at different speeds around their sun, but the Gravana was the middle planet. It had a magnetic core that gave the planet the protection from the dangerous solar flares. There was lush vegetation and different species of animals. Everything was good for millions of years until a few thousands of years ago when the scientists noticed unusual activities with their life-sustaining satellite. The glow and intensity dimmed substantially every 100 years. This was a telltale sign that the clock was running out for the Spartan. This was made known by the governing body headed by the grand god Hulks. He was the greatest of the gods and had superpowers beyond what any other gods could muster up in any energy-demanding situation. The Hulk towered above everyone in physical size and strength. He measured over 12 feet, standing. No one dared look him straight in the eyes. Hulks was furious and worried. How could he not have known this? He quizzed himself repeatedly. My home planet is slowly failing and falling down on me, he yelled. He quickly summoned the governing council of the gods. They needed to quickly reach a resolution on what immediate actions to take. They cannot allow this impending disaster to take place. The Magician race would be extinguished like the many ancient races that have gone extinct in the past. They know this because they had gone on space explorations to these sister planets many times in the past. That was easy because they were literally a stone throw from them. There were still relics of the past with fossils of once living beings in various parts of every neighborhood they had visited. But the story behind their extinction was obviously going to be different if it did happen to Gravana. They all perished from dried out water and thinned out atmosphere, but Gravana faced the danger of a sun that will shut down and an eventual energy powered down, which would be way worse given that it would be a slow painful death for his people.